Creative pursuits and careers are challenging, but they also come with plenty of opportunities to make more money if you have an entrepreneurial mindset. In this video, we're going to cover 10 ways that you can make money as a videographer. Stock footage. The first and most obvious way to make some extra money is to sell stock footage. This will often be B-roll that is generic enough to suit many video editors' needs, although filming specific stock footage can work as well. Sites like Shutterstock accept stock footage submissions, and if it's approved, you can make some commission each time someone purchases your footage. LUTs. LUTs, or lookup tables, allow you to export your signature look and sell it to other people. On the FilterGrade marketplace, you can host your LUTs and other digital products and make a profit every time someone purchases it. People are obsessed with finding a LUT that makes their footage look great, and if yours looks good, then you can start making some serious cash. Music videos. Music videos give videographers and directors the opportunity to try interesting effects and techniques that you would never use in a movie or other more traditional production. Musicians, large and small, will need to hire a videographer to work on their videos, and you can make a lot of money from something as large scale as a music video shoot. Events. There are a ton of ways to make money by filming sporting events, concerts, and business events. Many events will hire videographers to capture the action, or you could get in with a local news organization to capture video for news publications. Weddings. Weddings are notorious for being great sources of income for photographers and videographers, but also some of the most difficult and stressful shoots. But there's no denying that wedding videography is in high demand, and you're able to charge a large sum of money for your services. Eventually, you may be able to establish yourself as a recommended photographer by other wedding service providers in your area, like venues or wedding planners. Family and friends. You may offer a family and friends discount, but you should never feel obligated to provide your professional services for free to family and friends. If they respect your profession, your family and friends should come to you when they need videography services for life events, and they can refer you to their colleagues when they're looking for the services you provide. Real estate. Real estate photography is well established as a good moneymaker, but real estate videography is becoming more and more popular as well. Potential buyers love to be able to get a video tour of the house. Bonus points if you're able to provide VR or 360 video for this purpose. Those extra layers of interactivity can be very valuable to a realtor. Introduction videos. Startup businesses and other projects that are starting up often need an introductory video of some sort. This can often be a minute long or so video, usually just a talking head with some B-roll and inspirational music. These are easy videos to create, but businesses just starting out love to have videos like this that give them a professional look, or when they need to put something on their Kickstarter page. Tutorials. Creating tutorial videos for YouTube can be a great idea to share your knowledge and build an audience over time. You can end up making some money on YouTube ads, but there are other opportunities as well. Sponsorships from companies are the biggest money makers for YouTubers, and there are also opportunities to receive donations from fans and followers who find your tutorials helpful. Gear rental. You've probably gathered a studio's worth of equipment by now, which gives you the chance to rent your gear out to other videographers who can't afford to purchase their own high-end gear. No point in all of your stuff gathering dust when it could be busy making you some money. Those are our top 10 ways for videographers to make some extra money. Just because you're not working on movie productions doesn't mean there isn't room to make some extra cash with various projects. Good luck out there and following your passion. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And if you're looking for professional LUTs, Lightroom desktop and mobile presets, Premiere Pro templates, and more photo and video education, visit filtergrade.com today.